Hi everyone, I'm Deb. I am going to do a little unboxing of my brand new Serger. I thought it was coming yesterday, but it was a crazy torrential downpour storm, and then FedEx said it would be coming today, and every second I was updating, and then suddenly just before 4 p.m. it said Tuesday delivery. Tuesday, skipped Monday. What, the guy has off? Anyway, all of a sudden, I don't know what made me check it again, but I decided to check it again just now at 4:50 p.m. and it said it was delivered at 4:20. Was not in the hallway, went downstairs, and it was by the mailboxes. Thank goodness. Okay, so let's do a little unboxing. Ooh, exciting. Styrofoam peanuts. Aren't these things illegal? AJ sent it to me. Thank you, AJ. Okay. Ooh. Packed so nice. I'm gonna put this on the floor. Oh, it's coming. Oh. Okay. I forgot even what kind I had gotten. Juki. I know that they're good for industrial sewing machines. That's what I used at school. But I was looking up Sergers. I almost bought a different one, which the price ranged for, I was gonna get this Brother, I think it was like 1035DX and then D were the models, and the difference between those two were just, one had the controls on the left side and one had the controls on the right side. But you would think for some reason that on Amazon it would be much cheaper, and it was like $500 on Amazon and like less than 200 other places, but it was out of stock. So I kept researching and I saw this one and I really wanted it. So I cannot open the box. Huh. Okay. Okay. Whew. Little case. Here is my foot pedal. Juki. Okay. Lots of styrofoam. Oh, this is the top where my thread is going to be held. Here's two thread holders. Manual. Smells like a factory in China. If you've ever been to a shoe factory in China, I gotta tell you that this is what this box smells like. Okay, if you could see the kitchen floor, it's filled with those peanuts right now. I'm gonna put this on the floor so I can grab this. Oh. The mother load. Look, comes with some fabric in here already. Love this handle. Okay. The silica gel. I think I just ripped it open. Oh man, I gotta say, it's beautiful. Let's go bring it over to where I'm gonna use it and we will thread it and try it. I didn't even open what was in the bag, and I was thinking it didn't come with a cover, but yes, it does. It comes with a plastic cover, but maybe the first thing we will sew will be a nice fabric cover for this. We have some oil. We have 4 spool covers if you're using the short threads. There are 2 nets to put over threads to make them spool easier if you're having a problem. A little brush usually comes with sewing machines. We have 2 screwdrivers, small and large, so 2 nets, a little package of 4 extra needles, a tweezer helps you loop the thread through the machine. Very important, usually comes with all sergers. I believe this is an extra cutter for the sergers. I think it's the lower cutter. Okay, and then it also comes with this. I believe this is for when you want to make a rolled hem, but I'm not positive. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Juki MO-654DE and next I will upload a video on how to thread it. Seems a little difficult, but it's not. Okay, stay safe, stay healthy, stay home. I know, I'm the only one staying home. I know.